YouTube Garage Gang, and this is my first video of my VG Valiant 770 restoration. I've been working on my VF coupe for a while, and now I've got a better body to start working on. I don't know if I'm in frame or how I look, but anyway. But here's what my VG 770 looks like. I've already put the instrumentation cluster and dashboard and steering column back on. That's just for show. And just hooking up the suspension for the steering at the moment, because it's both front wheels work independently from one another. So I hook the steering column up and everything so I can push it in and out with some ease. There's a bit of a ding there, but that can be pulled out easy enough. It's a very tidy car. Let's keep it a short video for today. I just thought I'd get out there a new video. The boot floor is amazing. There's no rust there. The underneath of the car, I'm guessing at one point it's been on a rotisserie, because underneath it's all been sandblasted. So I have to get underneath there as well. So I have to try and figure out how to do all that. Might have to buy a rotisserie and paint the underneath and then get it back on its wheels again, and then start working from the top. So anyway, so this is my new VG. It's much better of a start for me to work on than the VF, but once the VG's done, can get back to the VF. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll keep you up to date with how this is going. My plan is to get this done as quickly as possible, and get out there and start enjoying it. A much better car to drive then. Yeah, it's just going to be a much better car to drive. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.